really happens inside a black hole? Is it a doorway to another universe? Or the end of everything? What you're about to hear might completely change how you see reality. A black hole is not just empty space. It is one of the most extreme objects in the universe. It forms when a massive star runs out of fuel and collapses under its own gravity. The core shrinks, smaller and smaller, until everything is crushed into an incredibly tiny point, a place so dense that gravity becomes unstoppable. This object is called a black hole. Its gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. That is why it appears completely dark. But just because we can't see it doesn't mean it's empty. In fact, it's the opposite. It's a region where space and time themselves are distorted. We know black holes exist because of what they do to the world around them. Stars near a black hole move strangely. Light bends in unusual ways. And sometimes, entire clouds of gas spiral inward, forming a glowing disk around it. This is called an accretion disk. Now, imagine this. You are floating in space, far away from everything. And in front of you is a black hole. At first, it doesn't look like much, just a dark sphere surrounded by glowing light. But something feels strange. The stars behind it look warped, stretched, almost like space itself is bending. This effect is called gravitational lensing. Now you slowly move closer. Nothing happens at first. No sudden pull, no violent force, just silence. But as you get closer, you begin to feel something, a slight pull, then stronger. Then stronger. This is gravity increasing. And now you reach the most important boundary, the event horizon. This is the point of no return. Once you cross it, you can never come back. To someone watching from far away, you appear to slow down, more and more, almost like time itself is stopping, until you seem frozen at the edge. But from your point of view, everything feels normal. You are still moving, still thinking, still alive. Two different realities, both true at the same time. Now you cross the event horizon. There is no turning back. Inside the black hole, things begin to change. Gravity is no longer equal across your body. Your feet feel a stronger pull than your head. This difference is called tidal force. At first, it's small, but as you go deeper, it increases rapidly. Your body begins to stretch, slowly at first, then faster. This process is called spaghettification. You are being pulled into a long, thin shape. Atoms begin to separate, structure begins to break. Eventually, everything that makes you, is pulled apart. But let's imagine something impossible. Let's imagine you could survive. You continue falling, deeper and deeper. Time behaves strangely here. Space behaves differently too. The closer you get to the center, the more extreme everything becomes. And then you reach the biggest mystery. The singularity. This is the center of the black hole, a point where density becomes infinite, where the laws of physics break down. No one truly knows what exists there. Not even our best theories can explain it. But here's something even stranger. Inside a black hole, space and time switch roles. In our normal world, we can move freely in space, but we are forced to move forward in time. Inside a black hole, you are forced toward the center, just like you are forced forward in time. This means something incredible. The singularity is not just a place, it is your future. and you cannot avoid it. Now, let's ask a deeper question. What happens to information? If something falls into a black hole, is it gone forever, or does it still exist? This is called the black hole information paradox, one of the biggest mysteries in physics. Because information should not be destroyed, but black holes seem to do exactly that. Some theories say information is stored on the surface. Others say it escapes slowly over time. This is called Hawking radiation. It means black holes are not eternal. They slowly lose energy and eventually disappear. But this takes longer than the age of the universe. Now, here's another idea. Some scientists believe black holes could connect to wormholes, a shortcut through space and time, a tunnel to another galaxy, or even another universe. If this is true, maybe one day we will finally understand what lies inside them. But until then, the mystery continues.